Does the seller have to make sure that their house has all the correct permits in order to sell? Technically, the answer is no. So I'm doing an open house here at my listing in Valencia, and this is a bonus sunroom added on to my client's house. And a lot of buyers keep asking me if this is permitted, and it's not. Technically in Los Angeles, you're supposed to pull a permit for everything, including changing out your toilet. But we all know that sellers don't do that, homeowners don't do that. So the one thing that they do have to do is disclose it. And as in my previous videos, I do all my disclosures up front, and we do disclose whether or not a house has all the proper permits or if it doesn't. And a buyer can choose if they want to purchase the house or not purchase the house. It's up to them. And so if anybody has a problem with the fact that the sunroom is not permitted, then they don't have to buy it. It will be appraised based on the actual permitted square footage, which is 1245, and this extra 200 square feet is just a bonus for the buyer, and it will not be included in the valuation of the home. Doing the proper disclosures, troubleshooting ahead of time are all things a really good realtor is going to do, because we're not all